Very good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. Happy New Year to all of you on behalf of our JET team. So, hope this year you all are going to get very good marks and be very successful in your curriculums and in your schools as well. All right, so today we are going to start with the mathematics. In maths, we are going to do coordinate geometry. All right, yes, now let's quickly revise. It's one of the very interesting topic, in fact, coordinate geometry. Only thing is you need to know all the formulas. So all formulas you learn, you will get full marks in this session. All right, the first formula is the distance between 2 points x1, y1, x2, y1 on a line parallel to x-axis is x2 minus x1. Next, the distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x1, y2 on a line parallel to y-axis is y2 minus y1. All right, yes, and the distance of a point P of x comma y from the origin is root of x square plus y square. And the distance between 2 points, the one which we are commonly using, more questions will be asked from this formula. The distance between 2 points P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, right. Next, the coordinates of a point P of x comma y, which divides the line segment joining the points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 internally in the ratio m1 is to m2 are m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. M1 now another very important question, another very important formula that many questions would be based on this as well. The midpoint of the line segment joining the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. All right, now next is the centroid. Okay, so the centroid of a triangle is a point of intersection of its medians. Hence, the coordinates of the centroid are x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, where x1, y1, x2, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are the vertices of the triangle. So supposing in a triangle, you have 3 points, isn't it? So where you have 3 vertices, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. All right. Next, the point that divides each median of a triangle in the ratio 2:1 is the centroid. So if you don't know any of these formulas, please take down so that when we are doing sums, this will be very helpful to you. All right, yes. Next, the area of the triangle formed by the points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Right? So how do you remember this? Outside the brackets, you will have x. Inside the brackets, you will have y. Right? And the number goes like 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Right? Next is 3, 1, 2. Clear? So that's how you should remember this. And a very important formula given by the Heron. So it's called as Heron's formula. Area of a triangle is given by Heron's formula. A is equal to square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. All right. Now how do you find out S? S is nothing but you have to add A plus B plus C by 2. So A, B, C are the 3 sides of the triangle. Right. And next, another very important formula, slope of the line containing the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right? Where x1 is not equal to x2. What happens if x1 is equal to x2? It becomes 0. So it becomes infinity, isn't it? Okay, right. See the next. Now let us take a test in coordinate geometry. If you want, you can refer your books while answering the questions. So 45 seconds, I'll give you 1 full minute to answer the questions and type your answers in the chat box. All right? Yes. Now let's move on. A point on the y-axis is of the form 0, y, x, 0, x, y, y, y. One thing I wanted to tell you, a point on the y-axis means x is 0. Okay, so just remember that. So it means if x is 0, then y is y. That's all. So your option 1 is the correct one. Supposing if they say that it is a point on the x-axis, means y is 0. So here a point on the x-axis, y-axis, so x is 0. All right. See, on y-axis, x coordinate is 0. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Right. Now see the next question. The distance of the point x, y from 0, 0 is dash. So I'm sure you can do it. Quickly think over this and then give me the answers. The distance of the point x, y from 0, 0 is dash. Root of x square plus y square, x plus y, root of x minus y, or none. Now you can refer to the formulas that we just referred, the distance formula, and then give me the answers. Yes. And the answer is root of x square plus y square. All right. So give me your answers in the chat box, students. Okay. From next question, we'll see. A point on the x-axis is of the form dash. I remember telling you what happens if it is on the x-axis, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, I am getting the answers. And a point on the x-axis means y is 0. So which is x, 0. All right. Yes. See the next question. The slope of the points 4, 6, 2, minus 5 is dash. Quickly work it out and give me your answer, students. Okay, let's answer this. Let me connect to the okay. All right. Yes. Now see here, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2. So y2 is minus 5, minus y1 is minus 6. X2 is 2, minus x1 is 4. So this becomes minus 11 by minus 2, which means it is 11 by 2. So your answer must be option 4. Right? Let's see the answer. Oh, yeah, I have to close this. So, yes, it is. Right now, let me see how many of you have given me. Yes, Lavanya and all. Good evening, very good evening. Yes, now I can see Deeksha, Varshita, yeah, Durgam, Naushik. I have Mahalakshmi, Navatej, Prem Charan, Mahalakshmi, Jnaneshwar. Yes, very good students. You all have given the correct answers. Good, let's move on to the next question. AOBC. Oh, one second. Let me erase this. Otherwise, you all will get confused if I'm not going to erase it. Yeah. So, AOBC is a rectangle whose three vertices are A of 4, 0, B of 0, 3, and O of 0, 0. Then its diagonal is dash. Then its diagonal is dash. Okay. So here, yeah, I'll just use the pen. Yes. The sides are 4 and 3 units. So now you can use the Pythagoras theorem. With that, you will be able to get the answer. Okay. Okay. So just try students. And what you are getting, let's see. We wanted the diagonals. Yes. Let's see. It is 5. Right? How? Root of 4 square plus 3 square. 16 plus 9. So root of 25, which is 5. That is why your option 3 is correct. All right? Yes. Now see the next question. The perimeter of a triangle whose vertices are A of 12, 0, O of 0, 0, and B of 0, 5. So you need to tell the perimeters of a triangle. Yes. Think over it, put the formulas, and then give me the answers. Yes, students, give me the answers. Okay, let's see. Two vertices are x-axis, y-axis, isn't it? And the third is origin. Origin means 0, right? So it's a right angle triangle with sides on right angle as 12 and 5. So now what happens? Use Pythagoras theorem. 12 square plus 5 square. So 144 plus 25. So 144, 154, 164. So one's root of 169, isn't it? So it becomes 30. Yes, correct. Right. Now see the next one. The distance of the point minus 8 comma 3 from the origin is dash. Right. So how do you calculate? From the origin, the distance of a point P of x comma y from the origin means this is x, this is y, isn't it? So it is root of minus 8 the whole square plus 3 the whole square, which is 64 plus 9, right? So which is root of 73. So your option 3 is going to be the correct answer, right? Yes. Fine. Now see the next question. Slope of x-axis is dash. Slope of x-axis, is it 0? Is it minus 1? Is it 3 or is it 7? So slope of x-axis. All right, let's see the answer. It is 0. Right. Now slope of vertical line is dash. What is the slope of vertical line? Is it 0? Is it 7? Is it minus 1? Or it's not defined? Okay. Quickly give me your answer, students. Yes, it is not defined. Right. Now, the distance of the point minus 4 comma 3 from x-axis is dash. The distance of the point minus 4 comma 3 from x-axis is dash. Is it minus 4, minus 3, 4 or 3? Is it minus 4, minus 3, 4 or 3? Let's see, it is 3. Okay, all right, because y coordinate will be the distance of the point from x-axis. You should take only the positive value. See, the distance of the point from x-axis means you should take only the y coordinate. If it is the distance between the point, the distance of the point from the y axis means you should take x. That too only positive you should take. All right? Yes. Now, see the next question. The distance between the points a cos theta comma 0, 0 comma a sin theta is dash. I'm giving you 1 minute, students. Quickly think and then give me the answer. All right, students. Quickly, if you want, I can try. We can do this. Yes, so the distance between means what? Root of y2 minus y1 the whole square plus x2 minus x1 the whole square. Right, so this is x1, y1. Just a second. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Right. So y2 means a sine square theta minus y1 is 0. The whole square plus x2 is 0 minus x1 is cos theta. A cos theta. The whole square. All right. So what happens here? We have a square sine square theta minus will become plus a square cos square theta. Right? So if I'm going to take a square outside, I will get sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is root. Right? So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So I will have root of a square. When this is coming out of the root, it will become a plus or minus a. Or rather mod a, because it is plus or minus a, isn't it? So what is plus or minus a? It is nothing but mod a. Mod a means plus or minus. All right, now let me see how many of you have given me the answers, by the way. Yeah, I have Lavanya, Deeksha, Varshita, Naushik, Navatej, Prem Charan, Mahalakshmi, Jnaneshwar, Divya, Nasbeen, Sahasrao. Yes, good students. You all are really making an attempt. Good that you all are giving me the correct answers. All right, now let's move on to the next question. Yes, the distance of the point minus 8 comma minus 7 from y-axis is dash. Right? So the distance of the point minus 8 comma minus 7 from y-axis is dash. How do you find out the distance? So it should be when we are finding out the distance of the point from y-axis, you should take x. That too, you should take only the positive value, isn't it? So that's what we studied little before when we were talking about the formulas. So think over it. I'm giving you 1 full minute and then give me the answers. Hope you all are understanding what I'm saying. Think over it and then give me the answers. Yes. Yes, it is 8. Correct? So that's what we actually discussed, isn't it? Okay. Let's move on to the next question. The slope of the line joining the points 3, minus 1 and 5, 3. Quickly work it out and then give me the answer, students. Okay. Quickly work it out and then give me the answer, students. All right. Let's try. Yes. So we are going to consider this as x1, y1, x2, y2. So what is our slope formula? It is y2 minus y1 the whole square plus x2 minus x1 the whole square, isn't it? So what is y2? 3 minus of minus 1 is plus 1 plus 5 minus 3. Right? So 3 plus 1 is 4 square is 16. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Y2 minus y1, okay, plus x2 minus x1. 5 minus 6 to 2 square is 4. All right. So you're supposed to get okay. The slope, they're asking us the slope, isn't it? So this is the distance. This is the distance. Slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Yes. So this is slope. Sorry, I quickly got confused. So it is 3 minus 1 by 5 minus 3. So 4 by 2. So which is 2. So this is the distance formula, students. Yeah. And this is the slope formula. So your answer must be option 3. Yes. All right. The midpoint of the line joining the points 4, 3, 9, 3 is dash. So midpoint, we already know the formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Right? So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Right? So what is x1? 4 plus x2 is 9 by 2, comma. Y1 is 3 plus y2 is 3 by 2. Right? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 by 2, comma, 3 plus 3, 6 by 2. So what happens? We get 13 by 2, comma, 6 by 2 is 3. So your answer is option 3. All right. Yes, hopefully it is right. Yes. Now let's see how many of you have given me the correct answers. Stutasya Mahalakshmi. Yes, good. Lavanya, Deeksha, Varshita, Naushik, Navatej, Premcharan, Mahalakshmi, Jnaneshwar, Divya, Nasbeen, Sahasrao, Lavanya, Mahesh, Afia, Kushi. Yes, students, good. You all are really making a good attempt. Please uh, do all the sums by yourself and then give me the answers. I'm giving you enough time to give the answers, isn't it? Yes. All right. Now let's move on to the next question. If the distance between the points 4, y and 1, 0 is 5, then what is y? Now here they are asking distance. Okay. Right. So the distance formula is y2 minus y1 the whole square plus x2 minus x1 the whole square, whole root. Right. And this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So now what is y2? 0 minus y the whole square plus 1 minus 4 the whole square, the whole root. So this is supposed to be y. What is y? I mean, this is supposed to be 5. So y square